For a few weeks every 17 years, the song of the cicadas can be heard across Manassas National Battlefield Park. The sounds you hear are male brood 2 magicicada periodical cicadas attempting to find a mate. The male cicadas make this sound by flexing their tymbals, drum-like organs in their abdomens. Because the cicada's abdomen is mostly hollow, the sound is intensified. The life cycle of the cicada begins when females lay small, rice-shaped eggs into grooves they make in tree limbs. When the eggs hatch, the young cicadas feed on the tree fluids to gain strength. Once they are strong enough, they fall to the ground where they dig to find roots to feed on. The magicicada periodical cicadas, which you see here, remain underground for 17 years. They emerge in the spring and very early summer, typically once the soil 8 inches below the surface warms to 64 degrees Fahrenheit. When they emerge as nymphs, they climb the nearest tree and shed their exoskeleton. They then start to search for a mate and begin the life cycle once again.